Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have HONOR Magic8 Pro. In this video I will show you how to customize Always on Display on this device. So first of all, let's go to Always on Display settings. You want to open home screen in style. Let's select Always on Display and please make sure that it's on at the top. So in the section screen off mode, you have an option to select full screen or partial screen, but we will use partial screen. Why not full screen? Because full screen Always on Display shows dimmed version of your lock screen, and you cannot actually customize it. So let's select partial screen, and below you can see different sections. So those are the sections that you can customize. So here you can set your own image to your Always on Display or select from the available system ones. Additionally, here in this section you can write your text that will be displayed on your Always on Display, and as well you can select the style. So those are the styles. Additionally, here some other options. Also, you can change layout, color, and here are some additional settings such as show date and show notifications and battery. Those are the options for your clock, and some more options for your clock. So go here and open different styles and layouts and customize your Always on Display to yourself. So let's select something. Let's say that I want this. I want to show date and show notifications and battery, and then I will press apply button. So when I lock my screen, I will see this Always on Display. Let's select something different. Let's select this one. Like this. Okay. Let's set some color. And let's press apply button. So this is my Always on Display. So that is basically how it works. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.